This video demonstrates how to insert a map into the print layout within QGIS. Okay, notice we've got our map ready. Notice I've also got just a few nations of birth highlighted here. Having all of them is a little too messy. Go to Project, New Print Layout, or I actually have a layout already set. Notice it's got the UK, Ireland, and Germany birthplace. That's its title. Looks like this. Now we're going to go full screen, and we're also going to zoom to extent, and now we're going to insert a map. So this is the insert map tool here. And it's active, and we will sort of make a shape. That data is sort of tall and narrow, so I'm going to make it tall and narrow. Now notice it showed up pretty tiny, so we're going to have to adjust that. So what we can do, any view of the map, you have to come back to the canvas and adjust it here. So what I've done is sort of made the canvas tall and narrow, just like I want it in my print layout. Now notice it hasn't changed here. Now I want to go down and click Set Map to Canvas Extent. There it is. Now also notice that if I want to, let's say I want to not include England, the UK, we're going to go back here and we're going to unclick it. Okay, it disappeared here on the canvas, but notice here it's still, the UK is still there. So one of the things you'll need to do, any changes you make, hit the refresh button, and now they're gone. Now I'm going to go back and turn those back on. Okay, there's the UK back, or at least people with a birthplace in the UK. Okay, the other thing that we're going to do now is insert grids. Almost all maps need some sort of indication of geographic location. So notice the command is very, very simple. All you have to do is hit plus, and an option will show up here. We can adjust that if we want. We can also create a whole bunch more. And so we're going to modify this because basically nothing's showing up yet. We're going to go to frame and annotation only. Notice no change yet. Frame style, there was no change because we're saying show this in the frame, but we haven't told it what kind of frame. So we're going to go with a zebra frame. Now notice it's just purely black. It should be black and white like a zebra. And that's because our interval is 0. So we're going to change that to 1,000. And that's essentially a kilometer, 1,000 meters. Now, we also should indicate like that gives a relative scale, or so a type of scale, but it doesn't indicate actual location. So one of the things that we want to do is draw the coordinates. Now, it's pretty simple. You can adjust these. On the left, we're going to leave it outside the frame, but we're going to go vertical ascending. And on the left, excuse me, on the right, that's outside, we're going to go vertical ascending also. And that's it. Notice there's many options that you can adjust here, and we're just doing a few of them.